그 남자는 누구일까요? What does this question or sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is namja는, because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to tackle about the word namja. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 124. Namja. Namja. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is nam, the second syllable is ja. Pronounce it with me. Namja. Namja. Namja is simply the Korean noun for man. Again, it's the Korean noun for man. How do we spell namja in Hangul? Let's start with the syllable nam. First, let's draw a neon character followed by an a character followed by a miem character. For the second syllable ja, we need to draw first a jiut character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine it to form the Hangul of the word namja. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of namja, let's try to look into this example sentence. The sentence says, "Who is that man?" The Korean translation of this sentence or question is, 그 남자는 누구일까요? 그 남자는 누구일까요? The word 그 means that. Second part of the sentence, 남자는 means man. Take note that namja is a subject, and as usual, we'll be adding a subject particle. Since namja has a vowel ending, we'll be adding nun. So namja는 is the whole subject. The last part of the sentence is 누구일까요? The meaning of this phrase is, who is it? So if we combine the meaning of these three parts, it would result to a question that says, who is that man? So if we go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the question or sentence 그 남자는 누구일까요 is simply, who is that man? And with that, you've just learned namja. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 114 to 123. But don't forget our word for today, word number 124 is namja, and this is the Korean noun for man. Word number 123 is jada. This is a root verb which means to sleep. Word number 122 is himne, and this is an informal way of saying cheer up. Word number 121 is jebal, and this is used to say please. Word number 120 is joshime, and this is used to say be careful. Word number 119 is copy, and this is the Korean noun for coffee. Word number 118 is pang, and this is the Korean noun for bread. Word number 117 is gogi, and this is the Korean noun for meat. Word number 116 is chowa. This is an adjective used to describe something as good, alright, or likable. Word number 115 is yache, and this is the Korean noun for vegetables. And word number 114 is debak. This is a Korean slang used to express your amazement. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.